Reporter Kim Russell joins us live from Farmington Hills this morning, where at least one of the four is expected to be arraigned later today. Kim, what can you tell us?
That's what Christine Frederick's attorney tells us. She is the woman who is known for being close to Tucker Cipriano, and she is one of the people who was arrested last night. Farmington Hills police tell me these arrests are part of a month-long investigation. Christine Frederick's attorney confirmed she is one of four people arrested at her home here on Haines Street. She also is known as a friend of Tucker Cipriano. Frederick's attorney, though, says her arrest is not connected to Cipriano's case. It is connected rather to a drug raid that happened at her home about 3 months ago.
I believe that it's going to be possession with intent to deliver marijuana.
Those arrested at Frederick's home include 3 adults and 1 juvenile. It is the home where Frederick at one time let Tucker Cipriano live. Earlier this month, Tucker Cipriano and Mitchell Young were charged with murder in the death of Tucker's father, Bob Cipriano. Tucker's mother and his brother Sal were critically injured in the attacks. They are both still in the hospital. Frederick was in the courtroom when Tucker Cipriano was arraigned for the attacks on his family and spoke out in his defense. Her attorney says her support of Tucker Cipriano and other young people is often misunderstood.
She wants to help young people. She grew up in foster homes herself. She has a heart the size of a watermelon.
Sources tell 7 Action News that arraignment could happen as early as 8:30 this morning. We'll be sure to bring you continuing coverage of what charges are brought against these 4 suspects. Live in Farmington Hills, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.